Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to unbox a Japanese snack box called BOKKSU. When you open the box, there comes a couple of pieces of paper. One's a booklet. In the booklet, there's a little bit of a menu. I think this is the summer box because here it says that Japan turns to citrus fruits to keep cool during intense heat waves. I'm actually gonna go out of order for the first one because I already started with some tea. Just gonna rip that open. It's super tasty. The first thing in this booklet, the Mochan Dango Mochi. Hanami dango is a variety of sticky rice dumplings commonly enjoyed during the spring hanami flower viewing season. Oh, it's literally just sugar and rice cake. It's actually really delicious. My mom, she's Malaysian, and they have something like this where it's like pandan leaf. I think in Penang last time, I ate a bunch of these like sticky mochi, like pandan flavored snacks. They were so good. The second one is a stick potato plum. Like an ode to the Japanese plum ume tree, every bite of these thin, crispy potato sticks carries the floral notes of plum blossoms. It's kind of the same color as like a Pocky box. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. That's dangerous. I think I'm gonna get my boyfriend to come out here and taste them.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, it's a little sour and kind of sweet. Yeah.
A 20th century pear langue du chat. The delicate biscuit is a luxurious blend of 20th century Asian pear. There's a rich cheese and decadent white chocolate biscuit. It has like this, whoa, this smells super fragrant. Wow, smells very fruity. Let's go on to the edamame senbei. Edamame bits baked into the cracker. This senbei is sprinkled with kanako, which is roasted soybean powder. This looks like something that I've had when I was a small kid. I used to eat these crackers when I was going to ballet. So they're almost like these rice crackers, and they have this seaweed-like powder on top of it. I can't tell if the sweetness is coming from the cracker or the sugar on top of it. And it is exactly what I remember. We used to have these small crackers that my parents would give to me before I go to practice. This tastes exactly like it, just basically a seaweed version. Next on the menu is seaweed tempura satuchi sudachi. Addictive seaweed sheets that are battered, fried, and flavored with native Japanese sudachi citrus to create a crisp and tangy snack. Oh yeah, almost looks like fish skin in a way. Whoa, that's super flavorful. They really meant citrus punch. I'd be so freaking fat if I could just be in Japan for like the rest of my life because I would just end up buying so many snacks at the 7-Eleven. Mollusk shellfish. Okay, so it kind of is like a fish skin, like chicken skin type of inspired citrus chip. The next one I actually kind of already ate. I'm not gonna show it, but it was this yuzu sake candy, and I finished that in a day. Next is the dondonyaki. Named after the sound of the beating taiko drums heard throughout festivals in Japan, these savory senbei are fried and marinated in tonkatsu sauce for a flavor that is tangy, peppery, and a little bit sweet. I really like the designs on these. I feel like people took extra care and time to put the design into these snacks, and it's almost like pieces of artwork, truly. These almost remind me of, remember when we used to get like Cracker Jacks as like a kid? Ooh, oh, that's also really good. Everything here is really citrusy, but I'm here for it. Hokkaido red bean donuts. So these delicious donuts are filled with Anko red bean paste made with azuki beans from Hokkaido. That's super decadent. This really doesn't taste very red beanie. You really taste more of the donut. That being said, it's actually kind of oily. My fingers are like shining. Super yummy. Next, we're gonna try the matcha chocolate stick cake. So this soft cake uses matcha from Uji, Kyoto, which is known for its high quality matcha. I kind of would prefer it without the chocolate chips, but that's just me. It makes it more chocolate chip cookie type of feel, but that is so good. Did I mention I'm having Alfredo pasta tonight? We are going to have the black sesame taiko kumamon design. I love sesame seeds, so that sounds like something right up my alley. It's like pure sesame seed though. I actually really have to give kudos into the artistry of how all these snacks are made. I feel like this is so labor intensive. Not to say that other snacks around the world aren't, but it just looks so, it's just so pretty, you know? I love sesame seeds because it has this kind of burnt flavor, and I love that charred flavor. Next is the Awamori Apple Caramel Yakoi Sable. This cookie uses apples exclusively from Awamori, which is Japan's apple prefectures. Oh, there's looks like a caramel texture to it too. It's like apple pie mochi puffs from Kanako. The crisp and airy texture of this cloud-like confection using a secret proprietary process. The puffs are finished with a dusting of Kanako. Mmm. Holy crap. That is literally the definition of melt in your mouth. The whole thing is basically a powdered sugar. All of these snacks are dangerous. So next I'm gonna try is the Puku Puku Thai chocolate, associated with New Year's celebrations as a symbol of good fortune. Looks super delicious. All right, let's give it a go. Let's try it. It's hollow inside, super Nutella wafery. Next, we're gonna try the uni rice cracker. This does look like a little uni. It's like someone like crushed it down with their hand. It's savory and salty without being overly fishy. Tastes fishy. I can taste a little bit of the creamy uni from there. So last things last is I'm gonna try the white chocolate covered strawberry. White strawberry, made by BOKKSU. This is the world's first chocolate infused strawberry. Oh my god. Wow. Strawberries are harvested, freeze dried, and infused with white chocolate. That's insane. Well guys, that concludes my entire video. In the end, my favorites were the plum chips, the white chocolate infused strawberry from each of the different flavor profiles. I think these were my favorites. Thank you for watching this video, and to BOKKSU for these really, really artisanal, greatly decorated snacks. Like, I'm just awed by the amount of labor that's put into it, not just the actual food, but the packaging. It's almost like artwork, like I said earlier. Bye.